Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our Healthsherpa quote engine to look up your own doctors, hospitals, and prescriptions so that you can find the plan that works best for you. So here we go. So typically when you get a quote from us, it will look something like this. You'll have 4 to 5 different plans on a side-by-side basis with different insurance companies. And these are just 5 plans that we would recommend based on our knowledge of the networks, of doctors, hospitals, and the way they're treating prescriptions. But there are always much more plans on this as well. It is also based on the conversation that I may have had with you on what you were looking for in your health plan. So typically when you go on this quote, you'll see the monthly premium for the different companies. You will see the deductibles, the maximum out of pocket, as well as the co-pays for the primary care, specialty, generic medicines, as well as how they treat emergency room and hospital stays. Now, to look at the doctors and hospitals available in the plans, there's a back button here on the top left. So when you click that, it takes you to our main screen. And this is where you'll also see some of your information, which including your zip code, your ages, your estimated household incomes, and the potential tax credits that you may be eligible for based on the income. So when we go further down on this, there are 2 links here on the left. One is for the hospital and one is for the prescriptions. So if I come here and I type in, let's say Northside Hospital. Now you have to make sure that you're choosing the north side that is correct. Because there's one in Florida, there's one in Georgia, there's a pharmacy in north side. So the one I'm looking for is the one here, Johnson Ferry Road. So I'm going to add that. And then what happens is that you see, okay, Cigna accepts north side. If they don't accept it, you will see that on the bottom as well too. So if you look here with the insurance company list here on the left-hand side, so suppose we go to Blue Cross, they accept it too. If you go to Aetna, they don't accept it. So if Northside is an important hospital for you, you would want to make sure that you're choosing an insurance company that includes that. So same thing with prescription. There's a button here for add prescriptions. So if you have any specific medicines that you're taking, I'm going to put just Synjardy. Oops. Okay. Seems like Synjardy is not covered by Cigna. So the same thing, when you come down here to the compare 5 plans, and we come all the way in the bottom, you will see if the prescription is not covered, you're going to see that here. And if it is covered, how it's going to be, what your copay is going to be with the different insurance companies. So in this situation, Synjardy would be covered by Ambetter and Blue Cross, but not Cigna, Oscar, or Kaiser. Well, it is also very expensive medicine, I know, so it may be the reason why it's not covered. Same thing with providers who take the Northside hospitals, you'll be able to see right there. And while we're here, I'm just going to show you, the 4 hyperlinks here on the bottom. If one is for plan details, one is for summary of benefits, prescription directory, and brochure. So if you click the plan details, it just opens up a little bit more for you with your monthly premium, your deductibles, your out-of-pockets. And when you come down, you can see a little bit more. Primary care visits, $5, specialty, $20. The way they treat prescriptions at different levels, whether it be generic, brand, or specialty, how they treat labs, and so forth. So this is one way that you can do a little bit of your homework, because as we know, every year the health plans change, as well as the network of doctors and hospitals change. So, but we do recommend that you talk to us, for recommendations, because we can make this much, much more easier for you. Because if you come here and try to do it by yourself, well, first of all, there's 71 different health plans out there for 2023, and you're going to drive yourself completely crazy trying to figure out one over the other, because in some cases they're also same insurance company, but different networks. So I hope this has been helpful to you. So if we can help you in any way, please feel to reach out. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.